Hello everyone. In this video you will learn how to customize the Windows 11 taskbar. You can adjust the alignment, colors, and also set up more than one virtual desktop. Let's begin customizing your taskbar. Right-click on any empty space within the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. From here, navigate to Taskbar Behaviors. Click on it, then scroll down. This is where you can change the alignment of the taskbar. If you prefer a Windows 10 appearance, click here and select Left, and you will notice that everything is now on the left side, as it used to be in Windows 10. If you prefer the new Windows 11 style, then you can keep it centered and everything remains as is. Here, you can also automatically hide the taskbar. Click the button, and you will notice it disappears until you scroll your mouse all the way to the bottom, where it pops back up again. Now, close the taskbar settings window and move to another important setting. Right-click on the desktop and from the options, click on Personalize. Now in this window, click on Colors. Here you can find Choose Your Mode. Click on it. Select Custom from the drop-down list, and then choose your default Windows mode to Dark, and you will see that taskbar changed to Dark mode. Scroll down and turn on Show Accent Color on Start and Taskbar. Now from the color options provided, you can select the color and see the effect on the taskbar, and you can select your preferred one. Here, you can also set up more than one virtual desktop. Click on this button, all working windows will open, and you can select your preferred window. Right here you have the option to add a virtual new desktop. That's how easy you can be to customize your Windows 11 taskbar. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech videos.